You're out here judging and condemning that person because he doesn't walk the same faith walk that you walk. He used to follow God, but now he's out there following sinners, drinking, smoking, partying, fornicating. It's not your place to judge or condemn anyone. It's not. Walk the faith walk that God has called you to. If you correct someone with love, they will listen. Because God has not called us to condemn. He has called us to love. 2 Timothy chapter 2 verses 25 and 26. Gently instruct those who oppose the truth. Perhaps God will change those people's heart and they will learn the truth. Then they will come to their senses and escape from the devil's trap, for they have been held captive by him to do whatever he wants. Don't follow people to talk bad or condemn other Christians or pastors or anyone for that matter, just because they are not walking in the right path. We were not called to condemn, but to love. Now, back to you.
Who? Me?
Yes, you. Yes, you that's not walking faithfully with God. You. God is always stretching out his hand of mercy, reaching out that you can hold on to him. He knows all the struggle you're facing. You can trust him to walk with you through the storms and fight in all your fights. God loves you and sees your desires and all your pain. I'm praying for you.